What's good? Yo, I need beats, I need producers. Let's back TMA up. Let's do this shit. Let's start a movement. What's good? Chillin' with the gangsters in the hood, you know we ain't reppin' every day, you know I'm misunderstood. Chillin' with them bitches that would come from the hood, you know they getting wet. Drop it down, say I'm misunderstood. Once again I say it cause I couldn't be Suge, no, couldn't be Officer Ricky. You know I get down, always down for smoking that sicky. You know I'm not reppin' pills anymore, ain't about that. Yeah, I come from the south, no I ain't need no bless. Taking shots at the God, no it can't be a test, no I can't be stressed. Need to think about these lyrics, write it down on a matchbox because these niggas fear us. Yeah, I might say it, I might be Italian, I might be Mexican because I'm nigga about it. Because that nigga on the table making stacks, 140 on a dime, what you think of that? What you think of Platt, what you think of TMA? If I told you every alias, you think I'd be the same? Think I'd be the same phenom, think I'm running up this game. Think I'd be a leaky faucet, man, I'm crying up my name. Think I'm trying up the fame, think I'm crying up my name. I don't care what they be coming with, I'm popping off this game. I don't care if people wanna rock around, put me to shame. Listen to me rapping all the time, think I run the game. Don't call me Big Crit, call me Kendrick Lamar. I don't care what you be doing, boy, I'm always down to spar. Man, I come from the south, but I pop from afar. Yeah, I shoot from New Jersey, man, I'm Novisky. I don't care, cause I put it down, the girl wanna miss me. Wanna rock around, think that girl gon' diss me. I don't care what she be doing, think that girl gon' condition me. I don't care what she be doing, smoking on that kush bit. Man, I lean back, man, I got a cold mean stare. Man, I just rap it, no boss, so beware. Yeah, if you wanna talk shots, take shots at me. You know who's the best inside right now? It's me, you know I put it down. Let me show these gangsters how I do it. Let me drop the microphone, I might not prove it, might not have to do it, I might not have to drop these hot rhymes, it's fluid, you know I drop it down. Don't treat me like a gangster, walk around thinking Mike Woes is a prankster. Might drop some acapella, I might let him know. Once again, TMA spit from his soul, deaded him.